how to get access token in Shopify. To show you this, we have to go to our App Store first, and to do this I'm gonna go up here where it says search in the search bar. I'm gonna look for apps, and now I want to click on app and sales channel settings from here, and you make sure you're in the apps and sales channels, and from here up here we go to develop apps, which lets you create your own apps. As you can see here, it says create an app. We're gonna click on that. It's here on the right. We click on that, and now we can name our app. I'm just gonna type in something like new app just for the sake of this demonstration, and after that I click create app. Now this might take a little while until it's finished up. Okay, here we go. From here we want to go to configure admin API scopes, and now we want to filter out some of the things we have access to, like this one. I write blog, and for example, and now I can just tick these boxes here, and now we click on save, and after it's done with that, okay, now it's pretty straightforward. We'll just click on install app and click on install. Now we wait again, and here you get your access code. You can click on here, reveal token once, and here you get your token, and you can just copy it from here and make sure to save it somewhere. And that's how you get an access token in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.